Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how can you add second floor in SIMS4. In order to add a second floor in SIMS4, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you want to launch this page and then you want to click on the arrow icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen, right over here. And next thing what you want to do is, as soon as you click on it, you could go ahead and add a building, or you could actually see that the first floor has been built. Now next what you want to do is move on to the top right and click on the build mode from the top right hand side corner of your screen. As you do it, so from the bottom left hand side corner, you want to go ahead and select ladder or stairs and ladder, after which you want to go ahead and select any sort of design that you prefer and select it. So once you've selected that, add it to your floor. So you could see that the wall has been created or the stairs has been added. Now you could see that the second floor has been created. Now the simple thing what you need to do is add on a wall. So to add on a wall, you want to go ahead and click on the tools, or click on the build mode once again and go ahead and click on the wall section from the bottom right hand side corner, from the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. Now that you've already selected the wall or a kind of a wall that you like, go ahead and add it. So, and with that being said, you've successfully built or added a second floor in SIMS4. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.